Basic programming concepts. Programming is the field of computer science responsible for creating instructions that enable computers to perform specific tasks. To develop any program, it is necessary to understand some fundamental concepts that form the basis of almost all programming languages. 1. Variables. Variables are one of the first concepts learned in programming. They can be understood as containers used to store information, allowing data to be saved and used throughout the execution of a program. Each variable has a name and can store different types of data, such as numbers, text, Boolean values, true or false, among others. For example, a variable named age can store the value 20, while another variable named name can store the text John. The contents of a variable can be changed whenever necessary, making it an essential element in the operation of any algorithm. 2. Control structures and loop structures. Control structures determine the execution flow of a program, allowing it to make decisions or repeat certain actions. Conditional structures check whether a given condition is true or false before executing a block of code. Common examples include the if, else, and switch statements. Loop structures allow a set of instructions to be executed multiple times, avoiding unnecessary code duplication. The for, while, and do-while loops are widely used to iterate through data collections, perform repetitive calculations, or execute tasks until a condition is met. These structures make programs more intelligent, dynamic, and efficient. 3. Functions. Functions are reusable blocks of code designed to perform a specific task. Instead of writing the same set of instructions repeatedly, a programmer can create a function and call it whenever needed. A function can receive input data, known as parameters, process it, and return a result. This approach improves code organization, reduces duplication, and makes programs easier to read and maintain. As a project grows, the use of functions becomes essential for keeping the code well-structured and modular. 4. Data structures. Data structures are organized ways of storing and manipulating information. Among the most commonly used are arrays, lists, and dictionaries. Arrays and lists allow multiple elements to be stored in a single variable, making it easier to access and manipulate collections of data. Dictionaries organize information into key value pairs, allowing data to be retrieved quickly using its corresponding key. Choosing the appropriate data structure has a direct impact on the efficiency and performance of a program. 5. Algorithms. An algorithm is a logical sequence of instructions designed to solve a problem or perform a specific task. Before writing code, it is common practice to plan the algorithm by defining, step by step, how the problem will be solved. For example, an algorithm for calculating a student's average grade should define the correct sequence of actions: receive the grades, add them together, divide the total by the number of subjects, and display the result. The quality of a program depends largely on the efficiency of the algorithm it uses. 6. Source code. Source code is the collection of organized lines of text written in a programming language that describe all the instructions a computer must execute. At this stage, the code has not yet been compiled or interpreted into an executable program. Source code is created by programmers and can be continuously edited, corrected, and improved. After compilation or interpretation, it is transformed into instructions that the computer can understand, allowing the application to function correctly. Conclusion. The concepts of variables, control and loop structures, functions, data structures, algorithms, and source code form the foundations of programming. Mastering these fundamentals makes it possible to understand how programming languages work and to develop applications that are more organized, efficient, and easier to maintain. Regardless of the programming language used, these concepts are present in most software projects and provide the foundation for learning more advanced topics.